Hi, Emmanuel here with Transform to Succeed T2S. And today in this video, what I'm gonna show you is how you can submit your project. And remember, all of these projects, they are not specifically for me as your instructor. They are for you. It's for your future. These projects are the work that you do through Transform to Succeed, but also it's a library that you have been building up until when you complete this training. And this is something that you want to go back to, you want to come back to, because that's going to be your place of every answer that you need for any Linux related job needs that you may have in the future and once you start working. So without wasting much of our time, I'm gonna take you to my thing here. Hold on. So I'm gonna take you to to here. This is a template that I wanted to share with you and which we'll be using for the class. So I'm gonna open this template and I'll show you something here quickly. And this is something that you're gonna have to use every time that you submit a project to your instructor. So I have, and I'm gonna share this with you. What you need to do first, this is our program, the program that you are enrolled in, and then I want you to make sure that you write what type of project, the number of project, if it's project number 1, number 2, and number 3, and you don't need the title here, but just the number, and it allows you to keep track of what you have been working on. And this is the year. So now here, this is your instructor that I am, and make sure that you have your email address attached here and the date when you submitted your project. Then as you go down, this is your project. So whatever I give you, your instructor gives you. So make sure that you type them, like in a given order of tasks that you have to do. So like in this case, you have 5 tasks that you have to accomplish. That's the first section, which is displaying or articulating the project that you are working on. And here you have the solution. A part of the solution, it's gonna be like task number 1, which is the answer to this question here, number 1. So you open up your terminal, and then you create a soft link. You have all the information as part of the video from the last class as of today's recording. And you do the same with the rest of the tasks here, meaning that you look at task number 2, task 3, tasks 4 and 5. And every time you type here the steps. So you want to say step number 1. If you want to, you can say I logged into my system. And step number 2, you can do that. Because remember, screenshots they are okay, but some of them may be self-explanatory, others may not. And remember, you're adding notes to this section here. You're adding notes not for yourself. You're adding notes not for anybody else, not even for me. It's for you, because 10 years from now, 5 years from now, you need to remember what these screenshots mean to you. So that's why you need to add some comments saying I took this step here. You can even describe this step describes what I did about creating a soft link and how I named this soft link and where I created this soft link, what directory. So just be specific, and then remember you're doing this not for me, not for your colleagues, but for you, for yourself. And pretty much that's it. So what you can do, you can use, like in my case, I'm using pages. That's a Word application that Mac computers they offer. And if you don't have Word document on your computer, like Windows computer or Mac, you can also go to Google. And when you go to Google, what you did here, I'm gonna close that. So you're gonna go to Google. Let me do this here. So if you just Google like .com, google.com, so you do that, and then make sure you need to have an account, a Google account, and I have got one here. So once you're done with that, so you click on these dots here, they say Google Apps. When you click there, you go to Google Drive, and you may not probably have what I have here, these folders that I have created, directories. So I have all of these folders because I've been using Google Drive for quite some time. And what you need to do, you go to here, it says new. So you click new here and go to Google Doc, and then you click on blank document. So click there, and what you do, then you can name this like project 1 and put the year here, right, to 2023. And the other thing that you can do, because I'll be sending you that document, you can just copy. So what you do, you just go here and then you copy. You can just copy all of this here. Just copy, and then you right click here, say copy, and then go back to your Word document in Google Drive, and then you just paste. To paste, you go to edit. You can do edit, or you can do Command Control V or Command V on Mac. So you click there, and you have this here. And then here it's easy. If you want to insert any picture, you just whatever screenshot you take, you can do it, upload it from your computer, and then place it wherever you want to place it here. And once you're done, then you just click File, and you can save it. You can download it as Microsoft Word, or you can download it as PDF. So let's say we use it as PDF. So you do that, and that's been downloaded. And once it's downloaded, and you know where it's gonna be in the downloads folders. It's gonna be in the download folders, and you can see that here. So it's in the download folders. So you go to the download folders and you find it here. So it's project number 1, and you double click, it's gonna open, and this is what you send to me with all of the information here. So that's pretty much easy. It is so easy to do, friends. So you do that, and you're not doing it for me. Remember, you're doing this for yourself. And And I'm gonna say that this then just conclude our video here, talking about how you can submit your project to me. And the submission of your project to me, it's actually technically you're doing it for yourself, for your future job as a Linux administrator. And again, I am Emmanuel with Transform to Succeed. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.